Gerard here again with a couple of other offerings from RIBA LLC. Everybody that works with AFOs is familiar with the concept and the application. Where you find your challenges are usually in material composition, material shape, material sizing. Obviously, for those of you that are making poly AFOs from scratch over a patient model, you're basically selecting your materials and your shapes based upon that patient's specific needs. But for those of you using a semi-custom option, which, for example, the so-called Swedish AFO is included, this may be something that could help you take care of that patient population. The RIBA product is classic design. You're familiar with the poly devices that are currently offered, and they have flexibility and they're lightweight, but their stability is somewhat limited by the materials and the contours that are currently present. It's going to be hard to see, but you'll be able to look at the shape of the stays here. They're fairly flat, and which gives them a limited amount of stability. You look at the RIBA AFO, and number one, you can tell it has a little bit more stability when you go to flex it. Okay, this one you can fold up. This one here has a threshold right there. And then when you look at the contours of the stays, you'll notice there's a convexity to its shape, and that renders it a bit more stable, torsionally stiff. The other advantage is when you look at the footbed, you'll notice that the RIBA product actually has a footbed, and it's actually derived from our other Ultimate products, so the contours here are very similar to what you would see in our Ultimate foot orthosis. One of the other challenges that you currently see with the devices being offered is you get two sizes. You get a small and a large. It's oftentimes called the ladies and the men's, and somehow they assume that all ladies have this size, all men have this size, and the RIBA product will be offered in a small, medium, large, and extra large size. So this is our current product that's being produced, and it's been in production in this configuration and this material composition for quite some time, and it's been tested and proven effective, and it's heat moldable, and it can be purchased either with or without the cuff in place and the padding. It's also available as a blank. In other words, if you're wanting to complete the padding in your own technical facility, it can be provided as a U-finish product. The sizes will be, as I mentioned a moment ago, small, medium, large, extra large. All of them will have a footbed contour and anatomical shape to them. And with that, it eliminates the need for adding additional contour to the inside of many of the devices that you see where there's little or no longitudinal large support. But again, thermomoldable. It's been used and applied primarily in Europe, and RIBA LLC will be your U.S. source for this product, and hopefully we'll be able to help some of your patients provide better outcomes. One of the things we'd like to follow up on with our AFO offerings is that in the future of RIBA LLC, there will also be a slightly more rigid construct. Currently in its final testing phases, but I'm going to give you a quick comparison. A standard type of AFO that you see right now, if you're familiar with the lawn and garden tires that you have on your riding lawnmower or trailer that you pull behind, I would call this a 2-ply tire. The current RIBA AFO probably qualifies as a 6-ply tire. And for those folks that then ultimately need a little bit more stability, we'll have the 8 or 10-ply tire offering with the more structurally reinforced version of the same shape. But this is, like I say, in the pipeline, but this is what you'll be currently seeing on our website as available in the AFO sector for RIBA's offerings. And thanks again for watching.